You've been ruining your hair with fake shampoo your whole life. Now watch how real natural shampoo is made. Al. First, we cut small leaves from the juniper plants in the forest. Then we collect these leaves in a basket. Then all these leaves are put in a large bowl and washed thoroughly with water. That is, they are scrubbed clean. When they are clean, they are put in a dry basket and spread out. Then this basket is placed in the sun so that these leaves dry well. We cut the soap pod with the help of a blade and make small pieces of it. The next herb is Holiumti Florum. This is also finely ground with the help of a knife into very small pieces. Then these pieces are also put in a small bowl. Now we take the peels of orange or Yuzu fruit. We also cut them into small pieces and put them in a bowl. Thus, all our herbs are prepared. Now it is the turn of the tea seed peels. We peel it with the help of a knife and make small pieces. Then we put these pieces in an iron mortar, akle, and grind them well until it becomes a fine powder. Now all our supplies are ready. All the herbs and their powders are complete. Now it's the turn of the rice. First, the rice is put in a bowl that already contains water. The rice is thoroughly washed in this water. When the rice is clean, the water is filtered with the help of a clean cloth. Now this water is placed on the stove so that it boils. When the water starts to heat up, a lid is placed on it. After about 5 to 10 minutes, we start adding all the herbs that we prepared earlier. First, we will add the soap pod pieces. Then we will add all the other herbs one by one. After that, we will mix with the help of a spoon and close the lid again. Now it is time to add the juniper leaves. These leaves are cut into small pieces with the help of scissors. Then these pieces are also put in the same pot where the rice water and other herbs are present. After stirring well with a spoon, the pot is covered again. After 2 to 3 hours, when we open the lid, the water is ready. This water is our natural shampoo. Now we take a white cloth and put the entire mixture in it and strain it well. The water comes out at the bottom, and the remaining part of the herbs remains in the cloth. We only need that water because all the benefits are in it. And keep it in a cool and safe place for 2 to 3 days. After a few days, when we see it, our natural shampoo is ready. Now, we put this shampoo in a bottle. And that's our video today. This is the pure natural shampoo, which we have prepared ourselves at home. Now apply it on your hair. You will immediately feel that it makes your hair soft, shiny, and refreshed. Ta, ta,